Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as Zero Joe Drew, Pip Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. It is Wednesday, October 6th, 2021. We're here with another live call. Let's get into it, baby. So, like I said earlier in the week, we are bearish on the week, The buyers have been coming in late last week into the beginning of this week, right? We were just pretty much retesting that 1.35700 key level, right? So we had to sell off overnight, right? So we had to sell off overnight. So we had bull traps here. Structure was pretty weak right here. This 700 level right here, that's that key level on the daily chart. We are just retesting it right there. But based off the sell-off that has happened today, I think that this trend is going to continue to at least these lows right here, this 1.35300 key level, because that is where all the seller's liquidity is, right? So right now, I think we're just trapping buyers on the short term. All the buyers' liquidity is above this 1.35700 key level, so that's where we're getting our rally right now. So overall, I do want to trade towards this low right here. Right, so on a 15-minute chart, a couple things that I do notice. This is the key level that I'm talking about. That's where I want to trade towards. Right, so a couple things I do notice on the 15-minute chart is this is that 700 key level where all buyers' liquidity is. On the 15-minute chart, we do have this U resistance right here. We have that U resistance right here. So all buyers' liquidity is pretty much right above this level right here. So I do want to see bulls get trapped above here. And then once we come back to this value, we're going to have something like this. When that wick gets taken out, we'll look for the short opportunity. And then ideally when we have bull traps to this 1.35700 key level, because that is the key level on the daily chart, I think we should overall just keep dropping to that trend line even further. So we're going to come back 10-15 minutes. It's 8:50 right now, and we want to wait for a buyer's liquidity to be grabbed above this key level for the short opportunities. If that doesn't happen, we're going to look for something different, but we'll be back in about 15-20 minutes. We'll see you then. Let's go. As you can see, we are rejecting this level right here. If price does not drive up above here, right, we're going to wait for bears to be trapped over here at 700 key level and trade towards that buyer's liquidity level, which is above this U resistance. I feel like we're going to break above that level first. So once, sellers' momentum is over, sellers are fully trapped, we're going to enter the buy if that sets up first. But if price does happen to drive up, we'll look for the bull trap above there. And then short, when we come back into value, look for a reaction at 700. Look to short there as well. So we'll play it by day. It is 9:15 right now, so we still got time before we make any decisions. But like I said, all buyers are up there, so we're going to wait for price to, fake buyers. Let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, price is just dipping down to this level. Like I said, all buyers are above this level. All sellers are right here. And we're going to wait for like a 5-minute bear trap over here to buy it up to, overall this level right here. Because that's where, all buyers are going to be. So I expect this to wick. Once that wicks, once we get the opportunity, we'll set the buy. But right now it's not quite ready yet. So we might see a little bit more downside. And then we'll enter when it's ready. Let's go. As you can see, price is just blowing right now. There's a possibility that we just wick up to the top right now. We're not going to force any opportunities. If I could get like a bear trap to this level, then I'll look to enter. But right now, I just want to wait. All sellers' liquidity was not grabbed yet, so there's a possibility that we do drop down to the bottom. So we will give it a little bit more time before we make any decisions. Like I said, all buyers are above there, all sellers are over there. So if I get the sell over there, if I get the buy there, we're going to trade towards that level. If we get the buy there, we're going to trade towards that level. So let's go. As you can see, we're rejecting that right shoulder. If we get a bear trap to that level, we'll smash the buy up to the buyer's liquidity, because I think overall we want to drive up. There's going to be a squeeze, so we'll see what happens. Let's go. So as you can see, we're at this level right now. When I get that 5-minute bear trap, I'm going to enter the buy up to that level, because I do feel like there's going to be one more push to the upside before we get that move. Right now there is downward momentum due to this bull trap right here. So we're going to wait for that setup, wait for it to cool down a bit. But I think overall we still want to squeeze up. You know, they're going to get you last minute, so let's go. Alright guys, we're entering the buy right now. We're holding it all the way up to here. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And we got this nice ass bounce from support where we entered. We're going to get out right now because this is where potential traps can occur. Like I said, I do see more upside when I do get those traps to this level. We're going to re-enter the trade. Like I said, overall I do expect price to move up to this 990 key level. But like due to this rally, I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to wait for like a 5-minute bear trap, and then once that trap is taken out, indicating more upside, we'll take that buy. Like I said, maybe a rejection. That rejection gets taken out, and we'll buy it to those tops even higher, because I feel like we got to squeeze above these levels. Let's go, baby. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day. The second trade is not setting up, so we're just going to take what we got. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Let's get it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. It'll motivate us to put this content out every single fucking day, baby. Yeah, huh? Back in a minute, let's go. Just on the deal, I'm on. I'm off. Yeah, yeah.